Hey everyone, this is Tim from Joysticks Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Hall Effect stick modules onto your Victrix Pro BFG controller. So you can buy these off of Amazon for like 30 bucks. I'll have them down below in the description. But these will not get any kind of stick drift on them because they are using magnets as their sensors, as opposed to the ones on the controller which are using like actuators and stuff. But to install these, it's very easy to do. So you want to buy the left one or the right one and make sure you get the correct version. So I removed the left one already. So the one I removed it's got these yellow actuators, or the orange. I can't see the color, but it's going to be a different layout. So you can see this one is flat across for the right stick, and then the left stick has this like little let's just go helicopter pad on it. So it's not the same. So you got to make sure you get the right one. Typically, if you have stick drift, it's going to be in the right thumbstick. So I'm going to go to the right one and remove this. So let's remove the module right now. And it comes in this little container right here. It's got instructions, and it's going to come in a little package. And it's very easy to remove. So hopefully I do this real quick before my camera battery runs out. So I'm going to remove my thumbstick. Just lift up, and lift up here. Then there's going to be 4 screws on the back. And this is what's going to take the most time, just unscrewing all this stuff. So let's unscrew it. And then there's going to be like maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 different screws inside here that we want to go to remove. Or maybe not. So on the left side there was 2. On the right side I'm unsure. So we'll have to open this up and see. So I'll just go through here and remove 4 screws. And you can keep your control on the entire time doing this if you really want. Once we get done, we do need to recalibrate the sticks so they are picked up accurately, but it should work right away, even if you don't. But it just might not register on like the PC app, I believe. So let's put these to the side, don't lose those. And I went ahead and bought a used controller actually off Amazon. I got this controller for $108, and I thought that was a really good deal. And I figured most of the time when you get a pro controller, the sticks are the ones that are wrong or there's an issue with. So I figured I'd buy this and maybe buy like one of the modules, remove the stick drift completely, get Hall Effects, and then I can get this controller for like 130 bucks. So there's one more, as opposed to paying like what, $175 at Walmart. So I saved myself a little bit of money, and I got better actual sensors on the inside. So yeah, the nice thing about this is if you do get stick drift, you just remove it and you buy a new one. And this is a different company. It's not PDP that is selling these, but these still work. Alright, so I got all 4 of those out. Lift this up. Does this come off right away? And it does. So on the left side, there's 2 more black screws you have to remove. On the right side, there's not. So you can just leave this in here if you really want it. If you lift this up, this little filament is going to come out. I'm just going to leave it right there. I'm going to remove the thumbstick cap. You should just have to press up. You can see the ones that come with it are like orange, yellow, green, I don't know. I'm colorblind. Now here's this one. This is the one with the Hall Effects. You can see it's a little bit different looking. So let's put this in. Alright, my eyes can't see. 34. I need glasses. Alright, so that's on. Boom, boom, click, click. And then we can just put this on right here. And there's no screws on this side, so this side is really easy to replace. Other side, a little bit more difficult. There's 2 more screws you have to go in and go through. Alright, and let's place these in. So you probably won't have issues with the left one. You probably only, oh gosh, I got the magnetic one. So this one is magnetic. The one that comes with these little screws is black. The purple one is the one that comes with the controller. And These screws are hard to see. So let's get this in here. Screw this down. Recalibrate it. And then test it out in Call of Duty real quick. And you're going to notice this is going to have a little bit different tension. So the default sticks are very loose. These ones have maybe a small bit of tension to it, which I think I like. It. You can fine tune your movements just a little bit more, but at any point in time you don't like it, I mean, you can always just install the other ones. So, or if you're good at soldering, you can just completely solder a different one on there and return to the original ones. You can buy those off Amazon and then just solder on new ones if you know how to do that. Alright, so let's get this in there. These blasted screws keep popping up on me. So this is the most difficult part right here. If you got a teenager in the house, maybe have him do it. Or her do it, because she's got good eyes. Alright, so black on black on black is kind of hard to see. So got my last screw right here. And then we should be able to just pop this on. Alright, so make sure this is firm, there's not wobbling. Let's go over here. I can put my thumbstick on in a minute. Pop it in, and now the controller is doing 360s. Pop this in. Go to this one right here. And sometimes it'll do 360s until the sensors are on correctly. So your guy might be spinning in Call of Duty. Now they have stopped when I screwed this on. Okay. Let's put my thumbstick on. Well, it's working already on my screen. But to recalibrate this, the controller's on. Hold down the function button in the middle where my thumb is tapping. Then click the thumbstick you want to recalibrate. Hold it down for like 2 or 3 seconds. The light is blinking. Rotate this around 2 or 3 times. Center it. Press the function button. And the stick is now recalibrated. Now if I go over to Call of Duty, this is going to be a horrible angle. But you can see I have the left one in and then the right one. So this one doesn't seem like it has the most tension on it. The left one seems like it's got a little bit more tension, but you can see it's working. I never shut off my controller, so this should completely eliminate the stick drift. So I can go to settings in Call of Duty, and there's dead zone inputs right here. We can show this, and then we can just test. You can see perfect zeros. No stick drift whatsoever, but hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Joysticks Studios. Perfect zeros.